What is an asset or a commodity? Let's get into it. So the first topic we want to talk about is what is an asset? Because you're getting into investing and you're hearing the word asset and you don't understand exactly what they're talking about. So asset is just basically something that has value, or something that you own. So essentially what that means is when people talk about their assets, it's like any real estate they own, any stock they own, any commodity they own. And then that's also our next topic. What is a commodity? A commodity is like the raw material. So like corn is a commodity, gold, coffee is a commodity. Any product or raw material is a commodity. So silver, gold, all those materials are commodities. Again, hope this video helped in some way, shape, or form. Really just breaking down those tips that you need to really make it out here in the stock market or investing world. Again, if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're getting these videos as soon as they come out. If there's anything that you want me to go over or you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you're not comfortable commenting, there's an email in the email list. You can email there to ask your question and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible or make this video. Also in the description below, there is a link to my Facebook and my Twitter. And then there's also a link to donate if you support the channel and you're trying to see us grow and get these financial education videos out to you in a higher quality and better rate. Everything is appreciated. Thank you guys so much. I hope this was helpful. Love you guys.